Gold and silver traded with a modest bullish bias throughout the day. Few hours back in my Asian Europe session update, I have mentioned 2035-36 is the first resistance zone, and after that 2040-42 for gold. It is shied away from breaking past 2036, while silver has gone closer to 2320. Critical numbers there. Now, what to expect from the US session? Services and manufacturing PMI coming in from US will bring volatility. So how to trade, what to expect, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation and inspiration for me to deliver to the best of my abilities. Let's start. Now, on the hourly charts for gold, we'll first look into gold followed with silver. So, watch till the end. And if you have not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and support the effort. See, on the hourly charts, prices divergent from the 20 period converged. Again, divergence, it is converged towards the 100 period. Then divergence, and it is converged towards the median or the 20 period moving average. Now, remember one point here, the support levels at 2024 is stronger, and thus the selling entry is only below 2024, and below that also one should remember that 2018 zone is what it needs to break in order to confirm slight reverse. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see the rise here, it is trying to retrace and it is trying to form higher highs, higher lows, and thus it is very simple. Only a selling entry is below 2024 levels, below which we can say slight bearishness can be observed. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, prices are divergent from the 20 period. It has converged towards the 20 period. Moving average is looking upwards. Also, remember one point, it is trying to show a reversal here. Second red candle in succession. I'll wait for the third candle. If it stays below 2028 or then 2024, you can say now the bears will try to take over, and then we can again expect it to move towards this zone. See, what has happened here is, you should note this point, nice retracement, and it can again fall back within this zone. So be watchful here. Stochastic has started to look downward. See, this is what I'm mentioned from the charts. This is what we are looking at. But look at the MACD here. The MACD has tried to converge. It has not crossed over, and it suggests that it has still a little more bearishness, because see what has happened here. After the stronger rise, it is retraced and it is trying to converge crossover. If it does show a crossover, then we can say that it is trying to fly back. But one must notice what has happened since last few rises. The levels here on MACD have proven out to be a greater resistance. Thus, be watchful. RSI looking downwards, trying to show slight bearishness. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour chart, see moving average is crossing over here. Certainly signs of bullishness. Now the 50 and 100 are also on the verge of a crossover. Now 2020, 2018 is the level it needs to break, and then 2014, 2015. If these two levels are taken, you can say gold is bound to drop sharp. Now one must look at, if you divide this into two, see this is almost symmetrical here. What followed with a little retracement, what could follow is a little retracement again. Thus, and yes, what preceded was a stronger rise. I do not expect that if it drops this time below 2014 levels, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD. Now see MACD crossing over here, and since then tried to trade bearish. It is tried to converge, failed to cross over. Remember, thus it requires another red candle in order to confirm the bearishness here. RSI is also looking downwards. Now look at the 3 hour. See one point, almost symmetrical candle here, where we can see prices, or it is this candle has erased all the gains from the preceding candle, and it has a wick, it has a tail. What preceded this was a bullish move. What could follow was a bearish, or is a bearish move. But unless and until we see a break below 2024, we should not be treating this as bearish. Be watchful of this. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is also bearish right now, and it is crossed over. It is not converged. It is converged but not crossed over yet. Thus, a crossover here will confirm the bullishness, else it has still not much of a scope on the downside. RSI is looking downwards. On the 4 hour charts, similar observation on the 4 hour chart. See higher highs, higher lows. It has to break below this point in order to confirm further bearishness, else it is still to be treated bullish. Remember, this is just a swing candle, and it is coming after a consolidation and a reversal sign. Thus, the next candle, when it starts, and if it stays above 2032, we can expect it to move towards 2036 and then 2040-42 zone. Yes, these are the two greater milestones it needs to break on the upside. If you look at the stochastic, this is flat. MACD almost running flat here. It is crossed over but not trading with divergence. RSI is also flat. Coming to daily chart, Now see on the daily charts, highs are beautifully aligned. Preceding candle had a swing. If this candle also delivers a swing, remember it needs to break below the preceding lows, that is yesterday's lows, that is below 2020, in order to confirm bearishness, and then below 2014 levels it will show a complete reversal where prices might try to trade bearish here. Be watchful, it can reverse the complete trend from the current. Right now it is not suggesting of any such thing, it is staying bullish, and thus a selling entry is only recommended if you see it trading below 2024 levels. Else it is still bullish, it can continue to trade upwards. But look at the daily chart, see the drop, the retracement, and from here a possible reversal can be confirmed. Stochastic overbought. Look at the MACD. This is one sign which is certainly indicating bullishness here. Divergent. And also look at MACD, the rise, the retracement across over here looking upwards can lead to higher prices. RSI is rising. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. First, before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 29th mentorship batch starting 4th of March. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the tools, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, again ping me on Telegram or write an email to me for details related to the services. And do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And do visit my platform www.forexandar.com for all the market related updates for discussion within the community, and also if you want to book a call or consult with me. Thus, considering this, buying entries at 2032 can be taken, but again, now since already it has achieved 2035-36, I will recommend you to wait for 2035-36 zone to be breached. Hence, buying at 2032 can be slightly risky, but yes, it can be done, though you have to wait for it to break beyond 2035-36, first resistance, and then 2040-42. If and only if gold stays above 2040-42 levels, you can consider that it is giving a breakout, and then I will look forward to 4850 as the next target. Yes, 2048-2050 is the zone I will be looking at, staying above 2040-42 levels. So take your trades, and a confirmed reversal on the daily charts for the near term is about 2060-65. I have shared several times in my daily and weekly review. Now on the downside, a selling entry is confirmed at 2024, but then 2020-2018 is the first resistance zone, 2014-15 is the next, below which the bears will pitch in, and then the prices will drop towards 2010 zone first resistance, and then below that a sharper crash can be expected if at all it continues to trade bearish from the current levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Look at silver, it has gone closer, it is towards the highs here, 2320 level. Certainly is a greater resistance zone. I have mentioned in my today's Asia session update as well that it has to break beyond 2320, 2330 zone in order to confirm a reversal. What has happened after this highs? It has retraced, now trying to reverse again, but not showing much of the bullish intent. Possibility of a complete reversal exists, but do not read this as bearish unless and until you see it trading below 2290. Now see, moving averages crossing over here at 23, certainly sign of bullishness here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts. Rise, bullishness here, divergence of the price from the moving average, taking the support from the 100 period. It is trying to reverse again, but getting the resistance at 2320. It is indeed is a great resistance. Thus you have to be cautious here. Right now it is looking upwards, trying to stay bullish. If you look at stochastic, this is near to overbought zone. MACD crossing over here, trading with little divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. Possibility of a reversal exists. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, the drop, the retracement, flat top here and a reversal. Now we have to wait for it to break below $23 levels, below which we can expect it to. Now see, only bearishness today is if you see silver trading below 2290, 2285 zone, below which you can treat this as a reversal, and then we can expect it to move towards lower lows. When I say lower lows, it can try to move towards 2260 levels as well. Yes, if it stays below 2290, 2285 levels, certainly the bearishness is going to increase. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. MACD is on the verge of a crossover here. This is a bullish cross. Now look, I've shown you this first wave, second wave, and it is ready for the third wave here. Let it give one divergent bullish candle, and then it will be on the path of a recovery towards the highs here. RSI comfortable. Coming to 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, preceding candle comes with a big wick here. It is forming higher lows here. Thus it can continue to deliver higher highs where the prices might try to break beyond 2330 zone, which is a greater resistance zone. At the same time, remember, if it breaks below 23, we can expect it to give a symmetrical candle where prices will move towards 2290, the first support zone, and below that, the next candle when it starts, it is going to deliver next bearish candle. Be watchful. The stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. Also, it is delivering a wave here and it is willing to cross over. RSI flat. Coming to daily charts. Now look at the daily charts. First of all, lower highs are done. Second, it is taken the support from the 20 period. Third, it is getting very strong resistance at 2320, 2330 zone. Thus, it is very important for silver to break beyond 2320. Remember, what is the preceding candle? Preceding candle is a red candle. It is a bearish candle. Thus, once it stays below 2290, 2280 zone, we can look forward to a sharper bearish candle, taking it till towards 2260 and below levels. If you look at the movement in silver, it is staying within the box. It has hit the highs. It can again move towards the lows here. Be watchful of this. A complete reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green. RSI is rising here. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 20 or rather $23 levels. If you see the higher prices below 23, you can initiate a selling entry. But this has to be with extreme caution. 2285, 2280 levels should be very strong support. Below 2280 is where slight bearishness to be seen. On the upside, you can buy here at 2320, but then let it break beyond 2330. After that, we can look forward to 2350, 2360. Any breakout beyond 2360 is a confirmation that we will be looking forward to 2420 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session update. All that as well. Press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.